We're here today for the MOU between CQUniversity and Stanwell Corporation, and what that's broadly about is looking at the research, the training, education and skills, and also the social impact and what that means for the Central Queensland region, but also broadly across Queensland as well. Some of the things that we're really excited about is looking at those new skills in the next generation and what we'll need to upskill and reskill the current workforce, but then also looking at the next generation from a training and skills point of view. In terms of research, we're looking at a broad spectrum of opportunities there, looking at microgrids, solar technology, all the different things across the renewable energy space, and then looking at how that applies in the Central Queensland region.
Central Queensland is experiencing a major transition in energy, and Stanwell is a major force behind that. CQU's involvement here is to look at how, as Luke said, around the training and the skills and education, but also with research. And the research is channelled through our Centre for Hydrogen and Renewable Energy, which is based down in Gladstone. Most people think that research would focus on technology, and there is a focus there on that, around particularly grid stability, different power sources coming in and how that is controlled, so that the end user just sees a continuous power supply. Microgrids, batteries and so on. But there's also a bigger ecosystem that we need to be doing research around, and that is around environment, it's around community and how the community is engaged with the transition, because they're a big part of that, workforce, and also economics and supply chain. And so the centre embraces all of that within its fold, and it's there to provide support to Stanwell in particular.
We're delighted today to consolidate this long-standing relationship with Central Queensland University into this MOU to provide some focus areas around the energy transition that Stanwell's making in accordance with our Queensland Energy and Jobs Plan targets. So this is a big, challenging target for us, and that's why we need access to the brightest minds in the country. We'll be focusing on skills and workforce transition, but also around the research piece, which is helping us to increase our knowledge base and develop our capabilities in these new energy technologies, which will include wind, solar, batteries and hydrogen. What we will do, we will develop our Future Energy Innovation and Training Hub, which will be the first part of our transition into these new energy technologies where the training and skills development will occur. Central Queensland Uni will be a foundation partner in that skills transition, and so we will have available at this facility from next year new energy technologies such as flow batteries and a hydrogen electrolyser turning up in early 2025. So we're expecting to turn some dirt at the site, which is adjacent to Stanwell Power Station in the early part of next year. So I think that what we found in choosing CQU as being our foundation partner in this regard is that they have all the skills and capabilities and the bright minds that we need to tap into in the research space.